Hey, you web traveler. I've got this one so that you don't have to, in case if that's shit. We haven't seen much Fate Stay Night boxes. I only seen 2 and both of them I opened, so you can check them out if you want to. But today we're opening this one. Alright, is this some kind of promo pack? Alright, so there's a lot of space in here. That gets me already nervous. Probably meaning the cards are thick and not thin. I'm gonna do the promo pack a little bit later. Let's first see how the normal cards look like to determine if the promo pack is really worth something. Oh my god, those packs are such a pain in the ass to open. I can't believe it. What the fuck is this? Okay, so they're not that thick. I love it. But there's so much space in this packaging. You could have easily fit 2 cards more, or at least 1 more. We start with in SSR. I have some Fate knowledge, but not that much knowledge to determine who the fuck is this. Let me know in the comments. Okay, we have a Seipei and it's a ring Tosaka. Yeah, that's the reason why I buy this, man. In case you don't know, Rin Tosaka is my waifu. It's the favorite waifu of all time, fight me about it. And alright, we have another card which looks like it's just an issue cover from manga or anything. It might be a choice of an art, but I don't know, man. It looks kind of sus, not gonna lie. Let's oh god, let's get another one. Oh, don't tell me we're gonna start each pack with this freaking SSR. I don't love chibis. I don't hate them, but I don't need to have them. Jean d'Or, right? That's her. Okay, we have another Seipei. This looks actually awesome. And we have an MR. The previous rarity in the first pack was ZR, so that's something else. And that's just a ship. Thank you so much for a very special card being just a freaking ship. Let's go now to the promo pack. Oh god, fuck. Yeah, it's a 3D card. It's a 3D card. It's just a shame it's a character that I actually don't know. But you can see she's holding the book now. She's reading the book. And now she isn't. Fate Stay Night. Who the fuck is this? There was never ever this character. Nursery rhyme in Fate Stay Night. I just can't remember. Are you fucking with me? Okay, finally not the chibi one, thank you. Putting my Fate knowledge to the test and failing miserably. Yeah, alright. Oh my god, fuck yeah. Dude. CP is my favorite rarity in this box. Totally worth it. Dude, what the come on, man. MR sucks ass. Like, why would I have that? Why would I want to have that? Jesus, man. Give me the characters. Give me the booba. Give me the waifus. Give me the waifus. That's some freaking jackass shit. And oh my god, this one is fucked. It's all fucked there. And also, it's not a beautiful card to get. Let's do a damage test. Because, I mean, I'm not... Okay. So, alright. As you can see, you probably don't have to bend them. Because reasons, yes, very good. Oh, it actually takes a lot. Okay. I can't, but it's just a normal foil. Throw it in the trash. Let's go further to the trash. A freaking puzzle. I see my waifu there, but it's not enough. Box, it's not enough to convince me that this is good. Because you have only 3 cards in the freaking packs and you... Okay, I am now establishing rules for the web travelers, like our new constitution. In the web traveler community, boxes are not allowed to put puzzles if they have 3 or less cards in the pack. If you do that, you suck ass. That's how it goes. Comment below on a video if you agree with me, so that we can establish this rule and make it official for the web travelers community. Because that really does suck ass. Damn it. Okay, it's actually, yeah, what the fuck? I don't know what to think about this one, because it looks nice, right? It looks kind of cool, but is it now number 3? Wait a minute, I can check it. Is it now a choice to make it look like this, or is it just some official cover? It's a choice, because the numbers are the same. We have another chibi SSR, fucking care. Ooh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Those stairs are everywhere, so it doesn't matter. Shit! Oh yeah, I tore the card apart, so it's been some shit on my fingers. Sorry about that. And we have another ZR. This one is cool. Oh my god! Yeah! Come on! Freaking packs, yo! What is this? Fuck! Wait, but it didn't start with SSR. There might be some special. Okay, there's also like cute chibi style, I guess you can call it that. That's alright. This one I take. There is a look. This is how they were supposed to look like, in my opinion. I don't mind fewer SSR chibis, but this is so much better. It's just an okay card. And we have another SSR. Okay, very interesting, because I mean those two definitely go together. That I got both of them in one pack, which looks suspicious. Also, it's the only pack with 2 SSR starting from CP, so very suspicious. I am assuming that is a pre-made pack, like how they distributed them, or I just got lucky and I got 2 ghosts. By the way, there's some information how to get a free promo pack if you buy a box on my coffee page, so go check it out. Oh my god. What is this? I know this character. It's Frankenstein girl. I don't feel nothing. Okay, we have another puzzle. Where is the puzzle piece? But before we do the puzzle piece, what do we have behind? Waifu. Fuck yeah, look at her. Look at her growing. Are you satisfied? I'm certainly not. I think they're numbered. Not that it means something, but or anything. And we have this chick that I got as this one. She's reading the book there. Okay. Yeah! Okay, that's the best freaking piece of puzzle that I could have gotten, because I don't need to complete this whole freaking shit. There's my waifu there. That's actually awesome. I like the angle and I like the saber. Alright, but as you can see, LR10 and this is LR2, but I can't imagine in any world where these two goes together. So they not only have a freaking puzzle with 3 cards in the pack, but they also have more than one puzzle, which also may be the rule coming in the Web Travelers community. But that's only if we can all agree on the first rule. I will make more. Actually, I'm gonna display this because that's my waifu. And I got very happy. The last pack, come on, give me some ass or titties. I didn't have those for a while. I guess that's both, but it's not very visible. It's still a nice card to get. That's cool, but it's not ass or titties. So our hope lies with the last card. What do we have? A freaking moon cell. God damn it. Like, how am I getting only one ass and titties in Fate Waifu universe? Why do you think people would hype about this card? I mean, obviously there are a few of you guys who would like to have it in your collection for some reason. I can get that and I understand it. I just don't understand why they made a choice to make this a kind of special card, because I got only 2 or 3 MRs in the whole box. What do you think about this box? Because I'm not sure. I enjoyed it, but also not that much, you know? And I enjoyed it only because I got 2 of my waifu. 2.5 of my waifu. So I don't know, for the price that the boxes goes, I am not sure I'm satisfied. But anywho, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in another one, Web Traveler.